Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to take you to Uptown. Let's go and see what's up in Uptown, Nairobi, Kenya, Africa. For those who don't know me, I'm Victor Gatobu, and I bring you awesome road trip content from Nairobi, Kenya. I'm currently at Twala. This is how it looks like. So Twala is behind the Nairobi National Park. As you can see, the roads are kinda not good. Actually, there are some zebras over there, but you guys can't see them. There are zebras all the way there, but you can't see them. It's okay. Yeah, guys, thank you for always coming back to watch the videos. If you have not subbed, sub so that you can get awesome car content and road trip content. So currently I'm going to work, and I work in Uptown Nairobi. Yeah, guys, my LinkedIn is linked below if you want to see where I work. So at least the rough road ends here. Now we're getting to the tarmac. Now we are on the tarmac. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Like this section of the road. I really love it. Because it looks bushy. But sometimes there are animals around here. We have an abandoned excavator just next to the military bridge. Someone was eaten by a lion there. Yeah. There are lions there. They are wild animals just living next to people. Yeah, so guys, I'm hoping today will be a very, very good day. It's going to be a great day. Let's go get some work done. Let's go. Traffic. What? This is Gataka Road. I had to use this road today because there was chaos at Multimedia University. That road is impassable past 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, but at least Gataka Road is clear, and even though I'm late, at least I'll be at work at around 8:30. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, at least at Karen the road is clear. There's no one on the road. Let's go, guys. It's 8:13. Let's go. This is Hadi Karen. Managed to find some open roads. Let's go. and back to traffic. Oh man, today is bad. More traffic, more traffic. Yeah, so in Uptown, guys, you have to follow the lights. So we get the green light and we go, man. It's 5. Let's go home. Mtajuaji ni Uptown. Mtajuaji ni Uptown. Check that out, man. Horses. This is how Kilimani looks like. So fun to drive in Uptown, man. So fun, so easy, and so calm. Yaya Center. That's Yaya Center. Just waiting for the lights. Let's go. Currently stuck in traffic next to the Eastland Hotel. Let's follow this big truck all the way. Whoa. This is Karen. Ongata Rongai, guys. Ongata Rongai. Traffic. Today was a perfect day, guys. Today was a perfect day. I'll be home before 7 for the first time in months. Let's go, guys. Today I'm going to meet my dog, Dutch. Let's go, buddy. Out. Dutch. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Sit. Yeah. Whoa. Let's go. So, guys, that's my dog, Dutch. That's the guy. Yeah, in the background. That's him. Sit. Out. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.